Hi guys, it's August the 4th. It's now 5:30 in the evening. Sniffles was like this morning. I thought he was sleeping. Um, he's not. Um, in my experience, when an animal's dead, it goes soft, but I'm guessing he's past the point where he just died. Like had I touched him this morning, he probably would have been soft, but he's actually fully hard now. He's cold, and I can't detect any kind of heartbeat, so I'm pretty certain he's not hibernating because of the temperature. My room is 25 degrees almost, so, Sniffles passed away, right on my birthday, so, I just thought I'd let you guys see. I'll probably take quite a few more pictures, but yeah, not the way I wanted to spend my day. I loved him, so I thought I'd just show you guys. I'm not sure, how I'm gonna dispose him because the first hamster that I lost, it took me about 4 days before I could put him in the garbage. So Sniffles might stay in my freezer for a few days until I'm ready. Okay, guys, I gotta go.